Hello everybody, welcome to Kurdish lessons. In this video, we are going to learn Kurdish numbers and we are going to learn some questions and their answers. Of course, these questions will be related with numbers. So, if you are ready, let's start. Here, as you see, we have cardinal numbers. I will read them and you will follow them, okay? Yek, du, se, char, penj, shesh, heft, hesht, ne, de. Okay, let's read them again. Yek, do, se, char, penj, shesh, heft, hesht, ne, de. And till 20, let's read. Yazde, dozde, sezde, charde, panzde, shazde, hivde, hijde, nozde, beast. Let's read them again. And please repeat after me, okay? Yazde, dozde, sezde, charde, panzde, shanzde, hivde, hijde, nozde, beast. It was till 20. And let's learn till 100. 30 will be si. 40 will be chel. 50 will be penji. 60 will be shest. 70 hefte. 80 hashte. And 90 not. And 100 is sad. So let's repeat them. Si or si. Chel, penji, shest, hefte, hashte, not, and sad. And now let's learn how to say 200, 300, 500, 700, okay? It is very easy, just like in English. So you will say 200, do, said, or 300, say, said, or 400, char, said, penj, said, shesh, said, okay? And 1000 will be hazar, and it will be same like 100. If you want to 2000, 3000, 5000, it will be do hazar, say hazar, char hazar, penj hazar. Okay, it's very easy. Now let's try to learn these long numbers. I mean big numbers. Okay, so for example, let's say 98. It will be no to hasht. Or 134. It will be sadu siu char. Okay. Give your attention that when you say 134 in Kurmancî, you always have to say sad u, si u, char. I mean you always have to put an u, which means and you will continue. Okay, it doesn't matter 5,000 or million. Okay, you always have to say u if you add a number. For example, let's say 235, it will be duset u, si u, penj. Okay, u. And for example, 347, it will be seset u, chilu heft, as you see. Or 586, it will be penj set u, hashte u, shesh. Okay, and last one is have 799, so it will be have said u, no to ne. Okay, have said u, no to ne. So let's repeat numbers, follow them, and I will read. No to hasht, sadu siu char, du sadu siu penj, se sadu chilu heft, penj sadu hashteu shesh, have sadu no to ne. Okay, these were our numbers. So let's learn some questions related with these numbers. The most popular question is tu chand sali, which means how old are you? Okay, tu chand sali. So it's very easy. Like in English, you will say I am tatatan. In Kurmancî, it will be s, and you will say your age and our copula. So as you see here, answers s bistu penj sali me. I am 25 years old. Or tu siu char sali ye. You are 34 years old. Or au chil sali ye. she or he or it is 40 years old. Am hivdeh saline, we are 17 years old. Hun shest saline, you plural guys, you are 60 years old. Ew hasht saline, they are 88 years old. Okay, it's very easy. So if someone asks you to chant sali, just you will say as tatatant sali me. It's very easy. Okay, or if people ask about your mother, father, sisters, it will be same construction, just you will change your subject and same thing. So for example, let's say Daikata chant saliye, how old is your mother? So you will say Daikaman penjiu penj saliye if she is 55 years old, or you can say Daikaman chil saliye, Daikaman si saliye, Daikaman hafte saliye, etc. And the next popular questions among Kurds is chant khushku brayente hane. How many sisters and brothers do you have? Okay, here construction is a bit different, but at least we will learn numbers, right? So you can say khushkeka min haya, it means one khushk, one sister. I have a sister. You can say du brayin min hana, I have two brothers. Or sebra u du khushken min hana, I have three brothers and two sisters. Or you can say tane khushkeka min haya, I only have one sister. Or you can say Brahim qat tunana, I don't have any brothers. Okay, or you can say haft Brahim hana, char khushke min hana, 15 khushku Brahim min hana. You can just follow your heart and say whatever you want. And next question, it can be chant pertuk intahana. It means how many books do you have, but here instead of pertuk it can be everything. Chant malin tahana, how many houses do you have? Chant penusen tahana, how many pencils do you have? Chant krasen tahana, how many dresses do you have? Okay, so here you can say hazar pertuken minhana, I have 1,000 books. Okay, or you can say hazar krasen minhana, I have 1,000 dresses. Okay, and you can say penset pertuken wihana, if you want to say he has 500 books, penset pertuken wihana. Or you can say hafsat pertuken wehana, where it refers she, so her. So we say she has 700 books. Or you can say gellek pertuken one hana, le one pertukan nahuinan. They have many books, but they don't read them. Okay, so as you see here, it is not really difficult to learn these numbers. Just try to repeat and look at these questions. And here you see I left some exercise for you. You will write these numbers in letter, and there are some questions like how many brothers do you have, how many books do you have, what is your father's age, etc. So I will leave these here, and then just write answers as a commentary, and I will answer your commentary if it is right or not. Okay, so it is all for today. Thank you so much for learning Kurdish and following me, and I want to thank you my patrons. They support me on patrons, and I make videos with their support. They help me a lot, so thank you so much. Have a good day, and if you have any questions and suggestions, we are on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, and we have a website which is called Kurdish Lessons.